Hi guys, it's Akbar K Qureshi and we're on the way to Fulton, Nimbkar Farms. We're on the way from Pune to Fulton. So keep you posted. This is to get our first exotic breed, which is the Australian Boer. So let's see if we find any good ones. And we can also, if you're lucky, we'll find Mr. Zia Qureshi. That's Dr. Zia Qureshi. And see what he has to say about goat farming. So we've reached the Nimbkar Institute. Let's see what we get here. So sir, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Zia Qureshi. I'm Managing Director of Nimbkar Private Limited. We are breeding Boer goats and we've been doing this for the last 20 years. The initial embryos we got from Australia and they were about 15 in number. Now we have about 160 purebred Boer females. And the reason we went into Boer goat was because it's a meat breed and the cost of meat is going up every day in India. And we are finding that even crosses of Boer goat with Siroi and also with the local breed Usmanabadi, they also been getting good weight gains.
What would you advise to people who are taking up goat farming as a profession?
For all new people coming into this profession, I think this is the right time because a lot of new farms are coming up and a lot of breeding goats are required. And I would advise them to go for exotic breeds which are looked down upon actually by our government. And for instance, even the price of milk is going up, so we should have some process of high milk yielding breeds from abroad. And as far as the high milk yielding breeds are concerned, we have the Boer goat. And I would advise the new young breeders to concentrate on producing their own breed by crossing.
And so my final question to you is, how important is genetics and environment in goat farming?
Genetics is most important. If you have good genetics, which is reacting well with your environment, and you're getting the final product which you want. For instance, what has happened in the breeding of dairy cows. The same way we should breed for high milk yield and high meat yield in our goats. Environment always plays a very important part. That's why the local breed content should also be at an optimum level, which we have to decide depending on the results we get with different percentage of the exotic breed and the local breed.
Alright, great sir, thank you so much. We'd like to thank you on behalf of all the young breeders. Thank you.